Welcome to Knowledge Quest. Although Texas doesn't normally get too cold, there is one place that always has snow, and that's the inside of a snow globe. Today, we're going to be making our very own snow globes, and we might even learn something about viscosity along the way. It sure does look like a winter wonderland in there. Now, I bet you're wondering why we added glycerin to our snow globes. Well, we added glycerin because it helps our snow fall a bit more like real snow would. It does this by increasing the viscosity, or how fast the water flows, letting our snow fall a little bit softer. If you don't have glycerin at home, you can also try to use clear school glue. It just might get a little bubbly if you shake up your snow globe. Now, let's read a book about some kiddos who are very excited for snow. Today, we're going to be reading We Want Snow, a Wintry Chant by Jamie A. Swinson, illustrated by Emil Boone. Not a flake, not a flake, not a flip-flop flake. We've been waiting all year, for goodness sake. Snow, snow, we want snow. Up to our ankles, up to our shins, up to our knees, up to our chins. We want hills covered in white for slipping and sliding and sledding all night. Who's that under the snow? A bear! We want snow friends of every size, with carrots for noses and charcoal for eyes. We want snow forts and ice skating too. We'll play outside till our noses are blue. We want snowballs flying high, a kid-made blizzard filling the sky. Snow, snow, we want snow. Up to our ankles, up to our shins, up to our knees, up to our chins. We want mittens woolly and warm, mountains of mittens fit for a storm. We want cocoa piping hot, with cream and marshmallows, we want a lot. We want a fire crackling and glowing, while outside a storm is howling and blowing. We want winter stories filling our heads, and cozy comforters piled up on beds. Don't they look so cozy? Snow, snow, we want snow. Up to our ankles, up to our shins, up to our knees, up to our chins. But there's not a flake, not a flake, not a flip-flop flake. No skates, no mittens, no hats or boots, no scarves, no sleds, no puffy snowsuits. Wait, is that? Could it be a tiny, shiny, shimmering flake? And another, and another. Hooray! Snow, snow, we have snow. Up to our ankles, up to our shins, up to our knees, up to our chins. Whoa, oh, brr. Too much snow. Snow in our hats, snow in our hair, snow in our socks and underwear. So, spring, spring, we want spring. Hooray! The end.